Hello, it's Paul again in the kitchen doing electronics on the IC-2KLPS power supply, and we've got it finally working and it's stable. I'll just swing you around. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so what were the issues? The issues was this relay was burnt on the other on the board in there. It's done some damage to the underneath of the PCB. I've done quite a bit of repair and fixing. My fix to this was to get two 250 volt 15 amp relays, and from Radio Parts here in Melbourne. The way that I've got it set up is it's in line in series with this relay. This is the on and off relay for the front of the amplifier. Okay, so that runs down the back of the cord, which is connected to the amplifier right here. That's the power connector. Alright, so what have we got? Alright, so I'll turn the switch on. So we've got power, on and off switch. Alright, and there we've got the light comes on, the power supply is happy. I'll turn it off. Soft start inside here. Power supply is now off. You'll hear a click click. Very, very quiet. Alright, if I unplug the cord from out the back and turn on, does not work. Alright. This relay doesn't work either. That's working, as I said, from the main on and off power switch, and that is the switching for the 240 volt. So my fix for this was, because of the damage inside, was to run a hot wire here from the positive side of the relay to the positive side of this relay, and run the negative to earth here. That was the only way that I could stay. Went through the whole amp last night. I couldn't find out what had been done and what is still damaged, but I suspect that underneath it's got some cracked tracks on the PCB, which I wasn't able to locate. Alright, once again I'll just plug it in and show you the finished result. Alright, I've yet to put in all the case screws, which I've got brand new ones just set aside for that. But if we turn it on, powered in, and there we go. IC-2KL amplifier fixed. Okay. I've got to do some restoration just to the covers. I'm not too sure how I'm going to leave those. And I've got an AT500 on its way as well. Just got to sort that out. But there we go in the series of the IC-2KL repair and getting the power supply talking and actually working off the on and off switch. Thank you very much for watching. This is another repair from Pull It Apart Paul. Cheers guys. Comment, like and subscribe.